Welcome to Rob Talks. Today we're talking tarot cards. Was this card meant to find you today? Maybe? Subscribe to this playlist as we take a journey into each of the tarot cards one by one and the meanings of the imagery and message they convey. Let's get started. Wheel of Fortune, card number 10. The Wheel of Fortune depicts a large wheel often surrounded by symbols of the four elements and zodiac signs, representing the cycles of life and the interconnectedness of all things. The wheel is usually shown in motion with figures riding on its edges, symbolizing the ups and downs of fate. Sometimes, a sphinx sits atop the wheel, representing wisdom and the mysteries of destiny. This card is about cycles and change. The Wheel of Fortune represents the constant change and cycles of life. It's a reminder that nothing is permanent, and life is a series of ups and downs. It's also about fate and destiny. This card is often associated with fate, suggesting that external forces beyond your control are at play. It can signify a turning point or a shift in your life path. The Wheel of Fortune can also indicate a stroke of luck or an unexpected opportunity. It's a card of serendipity, urging you to be adaptable and open to new possibilities. We hope you enjoyed this message. Did it resonate with you? If so, please leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe. Thank you.